Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm showing you how to replace your brake lever because apparently I enjoy wrecking my bike so much just so I can do this. So, as you can see, it's not supposed to look like that. I have my new one right here. I don't have an actual garage to do this in, but new one's right here, ready to go on. Should fit on perfectly. Only thing you're really gonna need is to take these off right here, and you don't use your normal size Allen key. You use a 6mm. So let's go ahead and get this going. If I, can torque that enough with one hand. They loosen up pretty easily. There's not a whole lot that needs to go into doing it. What I'd recommend is taking off this piece. That way you have more room to work here. Because I'm not really taking everything off. I'm just going to take off the mount. And then I'm going to take off the brake lever from the back side here. So. Let's see if this will work. I'm trying to give you guys an angle. But I don't think. Alright, so I'm going to take this off and then I will resume after the fact. But you're just taking off basically these four. You don't need to take off these two, but I'm going to. And then you take off these two, and then I'll show you what to do from there.